Hello students, in this video we will draw a question of projection of points on AutoCAD. So as you can see on the screen, the question is displayed. Draw the projections of the following points on a common XY line when point A is 30 mm above HP, 40 mm in front of VP, B is 30 mm above HP, 40 mm behind VP, C is 30 mm below HP, 40 mm behind VP, D is 30 mm below HP, 40 mm in front of VP, E is in the HP and 40 mm behind the VP, F is in the VP, 40 mm below HP, G is in both HP and VP. Keep the distance between the consecutive projectors as 20 mm. So this is the question. So we need to draw this question on AutoCAD. The solution for this we had already discussed in our previous video. So you can check that video also, how to draw these manually. Okay, but in this video we will discuss how to draw these on AutoCAD only, right? So let us move to AutoCAD. We have to draw this question on the AutoCAD. Let us draw the first part of this question. Before that, let us draw the XY line or the reference line. Go to line command. Let us take this as the first point and randomly let us draw a horizontal line like this. Now from any point on the line, let us draw the first part. First part says the point A is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. So this can be drawn by direct distance entry, or it can also be drawn by using polar coordinate system. Okay, so let us draw it by direct distance entry. So just write 30 and press enter while your cursor is in the vertical direction. So press enter. So as you press enter, you can see a line has been drawn in vertical direction. Again select line command. So from this point, lower point, draw a line of 40 mm in vertically downward direction. So you can just write 40 directly. You will be able to draw a line by just pressing enter using direct distance entry method. Right. Now we have drawn the projection lines. You can say these are the projection lines. Okay, we have to show the points also. Before that, let us select the point style. Go to P type, press enter. Let us suppose this is the point style. Press OK. Now go to point command. Let us mark this as the front view. This is the top view. Right. You can increase the line weight for the reference line. Let us make it 0.60. Now let us write the nomenclature also. So this will be A dash. Select it. Let us change the font style. Increase the size. Let it be equal to 6. So I think it is okay. So this will be A dash. So you can press Ctrl C to copy this text and then Ctrl V to paste it. So this will be pasted in the top view also. So double click on this to edit the text and make it A. Let us press Ctrl V again, paste it over here and you write capital X. Right? Let us dimension this also. Go to linear dimensioning. So let us put this is the first corner, second corner, and this is equal to 30. Again, linear dimensioning. This is equal to 40. So we can edit the dimension style also. So write DIMSTY for dim style, press enter. Go to modify, go to symbols and arrows. Let us increase the size, let it be equal to 4. Text size, again you make it equal to 4. Go to primary units and you take the precision to be 0 and press OK. Press close. Now you can see the dimensions are also clearly visible. Let us see these in the layout. In the layout, these are perfect. Right? Now the second part of this first question, second part says point B is 30 mm above HP, 40 mm behind VP. So this question is in second quadrant because it is above HP and behind VP. So 30 mm above HP, 40 mm behind VP. So how much it is behind VP, that will rotate by 90 degree in the clockwise direction and it will overlap on VP, right? So both the views will be drawn above XY line, right? And first of all, we'll draw a line of 20 mm because we have to draw these projections at 20 mm, distance of 20 mm, right? 20, right? Now you draw a line of 30 mm. Now let us draw this by polar coordinate system at the rate 30 less than 90. You may write, press enter, and then further I have to draw a line of 10 mm showing it 40 from the XY line at the rate 10 less than 90. Right? So we have got two lines basically. So go to point command again. Select the first endpoint, select the second endpoint. Let us name these now. Press Ctrl V. So since the point is B now, this will be B dash. This will be B dash. You can paste it and press double click to edit this. So it will be B dash. Again press Ctrl V. This will be the top view which has rotated upwards. And this will be small b. Right? So let us go to linear dimensioning. This is equal to 30. And then this is equal to 40 from the XY line. This is 40. This is the second part. Now third part is point C is 30 mm below HP, 40 mm behind VP. Right? So you need to draw the projection. This is in the third quadrant. So drawing this, again there are two methods. One is you draw it by conventional method. First of all, let us leave a space of 20 mm again. Right, so from here let us draw. Now it will be exactly opposite of the one you had drawn in the first quadrant because the distance from HP and VP are same. Right, so but it will be opposite because it is in the third quadrant. So it will be 40 towards the top and 30 towards the bottom. Like this you can draw. Or the other way is, let us delete it. You can copy the one you had drawn in the first quadrant. Just copy it, select it, go to copy command, take this as the base point and you paste it over here. Right. Now what we are going to do here, we will draw mirror image of this. Okay, because it will be exactly opposite of the one we had drawn in the first quadrant. Right, so we'll draw the mirror image. Let us try to draw. So first of all, you select the object. Let us select the whole object. Go to mirror command. This is mirror command. Now specify first point of mirror line. Let us say this is the first point of mirror line and this is the second point of mirror line. Right. Erase source object. It is asking, do you want to erase the source object? Yes or no. So yes, I want to erase the source object. Source object means the object from which, or the object for which you are getting the mirror image. So press yes, click on yes. So you can see it is the mirror image of the figure we had drawn in the first quadrant. The only difference is now the nomenclature will be changed. So it is C instead of A. So I'll double click over here and I'll make it C dash. Again I'll double click over here. It will be C. So this is the solution in the third quadrant. Right. Let us draw in the fourth quadrant, which is D, 30 mm below HP, 40 mm in front of VP. Right, so here both the views will be drawn below XY line. So again we have to draw this at a distance of 20 mm, leave a space of 20 mm. Now let us draw. So this again you can draw either by using line command, or you can again use the mirror command, because it will be exactly opposite of the one we had drawn in the second quadrant, that is for point B. Right. So let us draw it the other way. So it is 30 mm. I'll draw a line of 30 mm first and then I'll draw a line of 10 mm. Go to point command. Let us mark the points. Go to linear dimensioning. This is 30. Again repeat linear. This is 40. Let's move the dimension. Right, so let us name it. This will be D dash. And this will be D, small d. And I suppose this is clear to you. Now let us move to the E part. E part says E is in the HP and 40 mm behind VP. Right? So distance from HP is 0 and distance from VP is given to you. Right? So the resulting figure that you will get, it will be like the front view of E will be on the XY line and top view will rotate by 90 degree in the clockwise direction and it will move up. Right? And it is at a distance of 40 mm from VP, or you can say 40 mm behind VP. So it will be just a line of 40 mm in vertical direction. 20 mm again, leave a space of 20 mm from here. Draw a line of 40 mm. This is 40. Control V. Front view will be on the XY line. This will be E dash. Top view will be above the XY line. So it will be small e. So linear dimensioning, let us dimension the line, the projection, or you can say the distance of the top view from the XY line. Right, so this is the solution to E part. Okay, so let us draw the F part. So F part is in the VP and 40 mm below HP. So distance from VP is 0. Distance from HP is given to you, which is below HP 40 mm. Right. So the front view will be drawn vertically downwards from the XY line, and the top view will be on the XY line. Right. So let us draw it. Let us draw a line of 20 mm. Okay, then draw a line of 40 mm vertically downwards. Let us draw a point over here. This is representing the front view. Let us draw a point again on the XY line. This is representing the top view. Control V. This will be F dash, and then Control V, this will be small f. Right. Now let us dimension it. This is equal to 40 mm. So this is the solution to the F part. Now coming to the G part. G part, point G is in both HP and VP. So if it is 0 distance from HP, 0 distance from VP, it means the point or the object is lying on the reference line or the XY line. Right. So let us draw that also. So from the projector F, again you draw a line of 20 mm in the right side. Okay, you get this point from here. This is the end point. So click over here. This is the projection for G. So press Ctrl V. Both G and G dash will appear on the XY line. So this is G dash, and then this is G. This is the solution to the G part. So write G. Right. Now this is it. So this, we have completed the first question. So we can just trim the extra part of the XY line. Okay, you can just draw an intersection, go to trim, TR, press enter twice. So delete this line. Okay, you can delete this line, and you can write, press Ctrl V, you can write capital. This is the solution to the first question. So this solution is complete, but one thing more that we can add to this is we can show the point of intersection of the projection line and the XY line. Okay, like let us suppose this is the point of intersection of the XY line and the projection line for point A. Let us mark a point over here. Okay, press Ctrl V to paste the text over here. This is A dash written. So here this will come out to be A naught. So let us delete dash and write 0 once. Then now you can just select this 0 or not and go to this option. This is subscript. So if you want to write some subscript to a letter, you can use this. Click over here, so it will become A naught like this. Right. Similarly, for the case of point B, you can just click over here again. Let us turn on object snap. Click over here. Let us mark the points for every projection. Then press Ctrl V again. Right. So this will be B0. So write B 0. Select not. Go to subscript. So this has come out to be B0. So for the next, you can just copy this. Copy any of these. Let us suppose I am copying A0. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And you can paste it over here. This is C0. Click over here. This is C0. Edit this. Then Ctrl V. This will be D0. Ctrl V. Again, this will be E0. Ctrl V. This will be F0. Right. So this is the solution of the first question, okay, of projection of points on AutoCAD. How to draw this on AutoCAD. So this is the complete solution. I suppose this question is clear to you. All the algorithm is also clear to you. Thank you very much.